G'day YouTubers, how you going? I bought myself a greenhouse from Bunnings. Just a small one, 4-tier, with a misting kit. So for me, I thought that was awesome because I can just propagate my trees and plants, put them in there, zip it up, and I don't have to worry about it until they start growing. It'll just take care of itself. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to put it together. Yeah, we'll see what it turns out like. I've just finished installing the mister kit, and now all I need to do is put over the greenhouse plastic. Should be right to go. Here it is, all installed. I've added the mister pipe at the back, and all I need to do now is to put some plants in it. Cheerio.